Hello, and welcome back to our professional series on mastering AI tools. Today, we're diving into Lesson P9, Building a Knowledge Agent. This is where we go beyond simple Q&A and start creating specialized AI assistants tailored to our exact professional needs. I'm your host from UC Hub Tech, and I'm excited to show you how to transform your AI into a true expert partner. So, let's get started. What exactly is a knowledge agent? Think of it as creating a specific persona or expert role for your AI. Instead of a generalist AI, you can have a seasoned programmer, a meticulous historian, or, as we'll demonstrate today, a sharp financial analyst right at your fingertips. Imagine having an AI that doesn't just answer your questions, but answers them from a specific professional viewpoint, with the tone, style, and expertise you require. This isn't about teaching the AI new facts. It's about teaching it a new way to think and communicate, making it an extension of a high-level professional team. This approach is a game-changer for anyone looking to integrate AI deeply into their expert workflows. The magic behind creating these knowledge agents lies in a powerful feature, often called custom instructions or system prompts. While a standard prompt tells the AI what to do, like analyze this data, or write an email, a system prompt tells it how to be. It defines the AI's personality, its background, its expertise, and the rules it must follow in every single response. It's the difference between hiring a freelancer for a one-off task and onboarding a full-time expert who understands your company's culture and standards. By setting these instructions once, you ensure every interaction is consistent, professional, and aligned with your goals, saving you the hassle of repeating context in every single prompt. All right, let's build one. Here we are in the Gemini interface. To create our knowledge agent, we need to find the custom instructions setting. It's usually located in your account settings or profile menu. See it here. Let's click on that. This opens up a simple text box, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This is where we'll define our expert's entire persona. For our demonstration, we're going to create a senior financial analyst. Now, watch as I type our system prompt. You are a senior financial analyst with 15 years of experience at a top-tier investment firm. Your expertise lies in market trends and stock valuation. All answers must be data-driven, concise, must conclude with a clear, actionable recommendation. Avoid speculative language and stick to verifiable facts. Let's break that down. We've given it a role, a level of seniority, a specific field of expertise, and, most importantly, clear rules for its output. Data-driven, concise, and a clear recommendation. This is our instruction set. Once I hit save, this persona is now active for our entire conversation. Gemini will remember and apply this identity to every prompt I give it, until I change or remove the instructions. It's that simple to set up, but the impact on your workflow is profound. Now that our expert is hired, let's put it to the test. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see how our newly minted financial analyst performs. I'm going to ask a fairly standard question, one that a junior analyst might ask their senior manager. I'll type, analyze the recent performance of Company X and its stock. Notice I'm not adding any special instructions to this prompt. I don't need to say act like an analyst or be concise because our system prompt has already taken care of that. We're just having a natural conversation with our expert. This is the key to efficiency. You can focus purely on the what, the core of your query, because the how is already established. The AI is primed and ready to deliver exactly the kind of expert analysis we need. Let's send the prompt and see what it comes back with. Look at this response, it's perfect. The output is immediately framed in the persona we defined. It doesn't start with a generic "sure, here's an analysis." Instead, it jumps straight into the numbers, citing recent quarterly earnings, revenue growth, and market share percentages. The language is professional and direct, exactly what you'd expect from a senior analyst. Notice the structure. It presents the data first, then offers a succinct interpretation, and finally, just as we instructed, it concludes with a clear recommendation. It might say something like, recommendation, hold, while revenue growth is strong. Margin pressures and upcoming regulatory hurdles suggest waiting for a more favorable entry point. This is not a generic summary. It's a decisive, expert-level insight. The beauty of this is the incredible efficiency it brings to your workflow. Think about it. Without the system prompt, I would have had to write a much longer query, something like, "Please act as a financial analyst and analyze Company X. Make sure your answer is concise, uses data, and gives me a recommendation." I would have to repeat that, or similar instructions every single time. By setting up our knowledge agent, we've eliminated that redundant work. Every single query now goes through this expert filter, guaranteeing predictable, high quality, and professional output. This allows you to move faster, make decisions with more confidence, and truly leverage the AI as a specialist assistant. Whether you're a coder needing perfectly formatted snippets or a lawyer needing case summaries, this method ensures the AI speaks your language every time. So, let's recap what we've learned today. We've seen that by using system prompts or custom instructions, we can transform a generalist AI into a specialized knowledge agent. This isn't just a neat trick. It's a fundamental strategy for professional-grade AI utilization. It allows us to build predictable, efficient, and expert-driven work. Define the persona once, whether it's an analyst, a marketer, a scientist, or a historian, and the AI consistently delivers responses in that specific voice and format. This saves you an immense amount of time and mental energy, ensuring that your AI assistant is always aligned with your professional standards and goals. It's about making the technology adapt to you, not the other way around. By mastering this technique, you elevate your use of AI from simple task execution to strategic partnership. Your AI becomes a reliable member of your team, pre-programmed with the expertise you need most. I strongly encourage you to experiment with this. Think about the repetitive tasks in your own work. What expert persona could you create to streamline them? A legal assistant that summarizes contracts, a social media manager that drafts posts in your brand's voice. The possibilities are truly endless. Thank you for joining me for Lesson P9. I hope this has opened your eyes to a more powerful way of working with AI. Your assignment is to create your own knowledge agent. Define a persona that's relevant to your work and test it out. See how it changes the dynamic of your interactions. Next time, we'll bring everything we've learned together in our final lesson, P10, the final project. 2. It's going to be an exciting culmination of this entire professional series. If you found this lesson valuable, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to UT Hub Tech and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our grand finale. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.